Many of you get a hair transplant done and they are not happy with the result. Either the density is not good, or you have lost a lot of hair after the transplant, or the hairline looks very unnatural. So if you are looking for a repair hair transplant, this video is for you, because in this video I am going to discuss even about fake repair hair transplants. And if you watch the video till end, this will guide you and help you to make a roadmap which will be good in long-term interests.
Satya Hair Solutions,
where trust meets expertise.
So coming to this case, 26 years old male came to me after getting a transplant done around 2 years back, and his first transplant, the claimed numbers were huge, more than 3,000. But as you can see, the result was very poor. There was very few hair which were implanted, and the patient was put on finasteride 1 mg daily after the transplant. Initial 6-7 months he was happy and the results looked good, but afterwards the result was really very poor, and all the gaps and the free hair, free credit which goes to the surgeon after the transplant with finasteride was no more there. The unfortunate part here is, once you start the medicine and then stop it, you see severe rebound which affects even the non-transplanted hair, so much so that the pace at which you are losing hair gets increased. This is exactly what happened with this patient. Now the challenge in this case was, we had to take out the hair which were incorrectly placed, the wrong directions and angles and everything. So while we are extracting them in the same region, we have to implant the newer hair also. So obviously it is a challenge. We did a combination surgery which was FUT and FUE combined. Almost 3,000 grafts were done for him, and you can see the transplant result where a beautiful growth has come and the merging has been done. The hair were extracted from the frontal portion, the previous transplanted hair, and they were reused. Now in this patient, we gave him small doses of finasteride. As I told you, people who have already taken finasteride and then they stop it, they face continuous hair loss which doesn't respond to anything else but finasteride. And although the medicine dosage can be reduced and titrated, we gave him 1.5 mg finasteride per week. So mind you, this is per week, not per day. So this was very small dose to sustain the existing hair, and the result is there. Now at the end, I would like to comment upon the fake hair transplant repairs also. If you see this patient, he had done a transplant earlier in Turkey and he connected me for a repair hair transplant. He connected other clinics globally as well as in India. And most of the clinics told him 3,000 grafts and 1 mg finasteride per day. He had issues in the crown. He had the gaps between the previously transplanted hair and he wanted to fix it. So we did not do any transplant in his case. We just gave him 2 mg per week finasteride, and you can see the entire crown portion where he was told to go for 3,000 grafts for correction and the crown, and 1 mg finasteride, that means 7 mg finasteride per week, versus just 2 mg per week finasteride and no transplant. So that is the extent of result sometimes which you get with finasteride, which covers up every single thing, and any Tom, Dick and Harry can show you excellent results, beautiful results. No doubt the results are beautiful, but the authenticity of those results is highly questionable, because you never know that whether this result is real or fake. In fact, when you see corrective hair transplant surgery, repair hair transplants on YouTube or other social media platforms, you will find many cases which are actually not absolute repair, which are finasteride repairs, I would say mostly fake repairs. So be aware of such repairs. Pay only for what you are getting. When a surgeon is doing actual surgery with no medicine or less medicine, this is the real test of skill of the surgeon. And if you agree with me, write in the comment section. As you know, Satya is a platform where we bring out the truth, the hidden secrets, which otherwise would have never reached you. Be part of this mission. Share this info with your friends, your colleagues, your relatives, anyone who is in need of hair. Thank you. If you really want to dig deep, visit our website www.satyahairsolutions.com. Thank you. Love yourself.